She's live.
We're YouTubers now.
Yeah.
Going on our first camping trip of the year.
Basquatch 90.
Basquatch 90. Out on our first trip of the year.
It's currently gotta find
44 degrees.
It's 39 degrees and sunny.
My truck says 44.
Your truck's,
I trust the Chevy.
truck's wrong.
We're loaded up for some kayak fishing.
Get some panfish.
Yep. Heading down to southeastern Missouri. And it's going to be a good weekend. It's going to be cold.
Yeah.
A little bit of truck bed camping.
Yep.
So.
First truck bed excursion.
Yep. Alright. The adventure begins. We'll see you there. Forgot to tell people who we are.
Well, what a time to do it.
I'm Cody.
I'm Alex.
And this is Shipbox.
The Shipbox Express.
Yep. And yeah, we're from Missouri. We
adventure all over the place.
We have very interesting adventures, mostly fishing.
Yep.
We're advocates for the Ozark Smallmouth Alliance and conservation of smallmouth bass.
Yep.
But we do all things fishy. And I don't know, we travel around the state and we
camp, and this year we're gonna take our boats out more.
Yep, we camp, we kayak,
wet wade.
We do a lot of wading. We check out, we love going to historic places like mills and covered bridges and pretty much anything that's interesting to, well, nature nerds.
Or history nerds.
And we just like to have good, mostly clean fun. And sometimes we get in trouble, but, well, you'll see if that happens. Hopefully not.
Hopefully it doesn't.
But we hope you like our channel. We're new to this whole thing. We're very new to being YouTubers. This is only our second day on the job.
Get her done. Okay. Got our last stop at Walmart. Next time we see you guys, we will be at our final destination. There it is.
Your chariot has arrived. Why do I feel like I had to make a right turn?
I think you did.
I did. We did this last time. Now you turn around. This turn maybe once in a while.
What are we doing?
Turning around.
Why?
Because I didn't miss a turn. That's why.
Oh. You knew what you were doing?
Yeah, the turn missed me.
Oh. Ready to go unload some stuff?
There's fish in that there lake. All right.
Well, we have made it down here. Showed you all a little preview of the lake.
Yep.
Now it's time to go to the campground.
How many miles was it down here? Oh, we don't know. The odometer doesn't work. Oh, home sweet home.
Yeah.
Not bad. Hey,
What?
let's have a crappy day.
Ha. Huh?
And I can never get her to have
Lies. Cause, yeah,
Get as close as you want.
I was gonna turn it around and put the ass end in the. I'm gonna sit it like. No, I'm not. I'm gonna pivot. Pivot.
Pivot.
There we go. Did you want this side?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, set it on top of yours.
Well, I don't want to do that.
Right?
Yep. I was like, what was that? Gotta get the phone case. There goes the trap. Okay.
Rods, those are important. I said my rods, those are important. Whew. Doggies. Got everything? Oh, man. Oh, I didn't know it'd be so busy right now. Rush hour. If you hear me gasping for breath, it's because I am. I'm currently fighting bronchitis, but you know, health is important, but fishing is importanter. Alright, if you guys are wondering, I'm sure you've already seen, we fish. I don't even know if they can hear me with this case, but we are fishing the Perception Outlaw 11.5. Mine's grasshopper color, and yours is dapper, right? Dapper. And they are amazing boats for the price. Amazing. Obviously, you see they got what the patented paddle park right there. They've also got, you can slip your paddle in there. And they've got the double barrel rod holder system. You can have 2 rods out each side. Plenty of storage. They're just great boats. But this isn't a kayak infomercial. Hey, make sure your plug's tight. What we're fishing with, mostly, anyway, to start, a little crappie magnet. I'm going with pink because the water is a little stained. And I'm going to start off, I don't know, about 30 inches or so in depth. Got a light action 6'6", or ultralight 6'6". Yours are 6. All of them are 6 except for this one with the cork handle. These are our trout rods normally, but trout and panfish. Let's find some paper mouse. How did I get this tangled up? Oh, there we go. My paddle leash. These paddle leashes I make myself. They're pretty awesome. Usually they'll be kind of skirting the bank. There's a lot of brush and small brushy structure around the edges. Not only that, it's a pretty steep drop. Figure. I figured I wouldn't have it on. Nice little largemouth. Get us out of this crap. Ugh. Boy, that wind. Cool. Well, not a crop. Alright. Crisis averted. There was a little largemouth over there that I caught. We'll see if there's anything else hanging out. We're looking for some nice eater-sized crappie or bluegill. Mr. Bass got he got a get out of jail free card there. We're not looking for him.
Caught a largemouth.
Got one?
Yep.
Nice. Very big?
Stop it, fish.
Huh?
I was telling him to stop. Oh, shit. Caught a little largemouth. Little guy. Okay, bye-bye.
No matter what, it's still good for the mental health. Just to get out. Winter can be so dreary and just depressing. Oh, there's one. I got one. Ah, it's a damn bass. I'm sorry, buddy. I didn't mean to say make it sound like I didn't like you. But, hey. Ugh. That sure beats nothing. He's not dinner, though. He hit it like it owed him money. But yeah, as I was saying, winter can be so depressing. Tell me that. Catching a fish. You ever seen somebody catching a fish and still be depressed? I didn't think so. There's something about catching fish in the winter. It's life. You see life. It's nice to see it. It's nice to see things that are alive and moving.
Finally get to the perfect place. Wind's pushing us around a lot. I've only caught that one largemouth. Of course, I get right where I want to be, and the damn thing is not at all the bits. Okay, so we're all done for the night. On the lake, only caught. I'm doing this. We caught 3 that we had in our baskets, but we threw them back. Not enough to fry. But beautiful sunset out there. Get the kayaks loaded up.
Here we're over here by the beach eating.
Nice. And we'll go back to camp. I'll see you there. Got a nice fire going.
You'll have to turn the bed lights on.
I'm just doing this stuff.
Okay. Chili dogs made from scratch.
Got our kitchen here. Dressing. Got our cheers.
Is that both cans?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Getting that chili ready. I'm stubborn. I'm giving up.
Do our little tour, even though it's dark.
What?
Giving a tour. We got our moonshade set up to cover the bed.
Welcome to my crib.
And then we put our air mattress, our little air mattress, in the bed.
A Teton 0 degree double sleeping bag.
I wasn't to the sleeping bag yet.
Sorry, I'll butt out.
And then got the furniture pad on top of it. Got our 0 degree sleeping bag. It's all set up. It's got a queen size blanket inside of it to make it extra cozy and warm. And whenever we go to sleep, we can just flip that over. It should be pretty good. Not too windy tonight. It's supposed to be 29.
Okay. My salt and pepper, my salt and pepper. Okay. Bon appetit.
Bon apple tea.
Bon apple tea. There's the coffee. Alright. Good morning, YouTube. We slept great. It was about 7 a.m. And it's about 20, well, the real feel is 25 degrees. But man, that Teton 0-degree bag kept us warm, man. We slept great. We got the GoPro batteries charging. My homemade box. Charging up for the day. I am getting ready to boil some water for coffee. And usually we have a percolator, but we forgot it, so we decided to cheat. And we got some freeze-dried breakfast. Not like your Mountain House meals. This is actual Alex's mom freeze-dries food and gives us nice packets of it. So we got some breakfast there, some sausage, egg, and cheese, I think. And it's gonna be good. Sun's coming up. We are gonna get some coffee in us, some breakfast. We're gonna break camp, and we're gonna head to the lake. Hopefully catch some crappie. Good morning.
Morning.
Alright. We're on our second helping of breakfast. Props to Alex's mom, big time, for the breakfast casserole.
Freeze-dried.
Freeze-dried, yeah.
Breakfast casserole.
Yeah, real food freeze-dried, not Mountain House. No
She made
offense
it.
to Mountain House, but
She made it, she froze it, she dehydrated it,
and we eat it.
or freeze-dried it.
And man, I'm telling you, it's good. Got coffee steaming in the cups. We got the barge pushing up the mighty Mississippi right now. Breaking camp. It's gonna be a beautiful day.
On the road again. Okay. I'm gonna go way out there where I was yesterday, where something of decent size stole my line and took off under a tree, stung me up. Whatever it was, had my drag buzzing.
Ah, damn bass. Oh well, hey, that's a fish. Oh. Where'd you go? Alright. A little largemouth, a little eager largemouth. He was mad. And I'm all. Anybody else hate fishing with a float sometimes? Cool. Yeah, they're not even taking it like hard, they're just pulling it under. Nice and slow. What do we got here? Oh, another bass. Come here, buddy. This pond is teeming. Look how they've been eating. Look at that top lip. Tell me they ain't been eating and eating. Alright, that's two. Now we just gotta find a crappie. Take some bluegill too. Big ones. Alright. That's a fish. Alright, folks. Look at that. Once again, you tell me these fish ain't been eaten. Look how red that sucker's mouth is. Whew. Alright, buddy, get bigger. What I'm using now, 1/32 ounce jig head with a Bobby Garland, I forgot what that is, a baby shad or something, like a 1.75 inch. And blue and chartreuse, whatever they call that, but I modified the jig head with some 30-pound monofilament tied on with tying thread to make it. Ditch pickle. Here, buddy. Ow. Ditch pickle. I mean, I'm not gonna complain about catching fish. Alright. Just calm down. So angry, those little ones are.
Well, we are done here, and Cody caught a bunch of largemouth, and the one single fish, come here little guy, and the one single fish that I caught today, sorry, is the little bluegill, and he's really cold and purple. Look at that iridescent, he's so pretty. Okay, little guy, till next time.
She ain't going nowhere.
Nope.